That's the landslide of Clementi Avenue 6. 1 year already. So now today complete. Let's come and cheer for this Uru Pandan Park connector. You can go to the other side， 去到另外一边，这就是金文泰六巷1年多前泄泥的部分，现在已经完工，平安吉祥。下方就可以去到 Westco 的 pandan reservoir。哦，也有一些篮球场做好。这就是新竹务区大白212。212 Block 212 Clementi Avenue 6 Pavilion. So this is the basketball court. From basketball court you can access to the Favor Crash condominium and the waterway park. That's the basketball court. From the staircase you can walk up. There's a Clementi Commonwealth Road, Commonwealth West Avenue. Then go 2 bus stop away to the Clementi Mall. So this the gate can open. Don't worry, just open and then walk down to the park connector. So this is the railway track. The old railway track is there, is still there. Okay, that's the Clementi Avenue 6 Temple, 新加坡青年弘法团 Singapore Youth Buddhist Temple. This is Clementi Avenue 6 BTO flat and the existing old flat. Now come to the block 212.